Hey guys, hope all is well. Back at you again with a new exclusive here in Platinum Heights, Christchurch. We just sold another listing on this same street. Can't see it from here, just at the top of this street. Let me show you a bit more of the street view. So our new exclusive right here is a 3-bedroom house with a bonus room, 2 full bathrooms and a half bathroom. You have a decent front yard and back yard as well. Built in 2006. And we have just over 8,800 square feet of land. Storage shed there in the back. Well, I shouldn't even call it a storage shed. It's almost like a small mini house. Could probably be converted into a studio, a cottage. So much potential. So just to recap, built in 2006, just over 8,800 square feet of land, and approximately 2,000 square feet of floor area. So upon entry, you have your open living and dining area. And just here, after entry on the eastern side, you have the kitchen, decent amount of cupboard space. Behind that door, you have the laundry nook with washer. You got your breakfast table right there. And this property has such an easy flowing floor plan. It wraps right around. Here you have the half bathroom right off the living area and kitchen. Here is the bonus room. And this room is right off the back patio. The patio is the full width of the house. And it wraps right back around to the living and dining area. Let me pop outside so you could see the backyard with its full potential. This is the large patio. You do have a water tank for most of the space below this patio. There is a pump, but the new owner would have to get a new pump because the pump isn't working. So at least you have water to water your plants, wash your vehicle. Let me go to the far back so you could appreciate the rear of the property. So as you can see, you have a mature hedge, gives you privacy in the backyard. Full concrete shed, window included, so all your storage would be nicely ventilated. Driveway. You have the big 100-pound gas cylinders outside for the stove. Other side of the property. Okay, let's go back inside to check out upstairs. Just a bit of view of across the street. So upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Right here to the left is the main bedroom. And I love the unique design of this property. And as hot as it is outside, you have a really good breeze that flows right through the house once you open up. So you have the ensuite bathroom with tub. Behind this door, you have your walk-in closet. High ceilings yet again. So across the hallway, you have another bedroom. So we came up these stairs to the top floor that I'm on right now. Full bathroom, skylight, and it's slightly lifted so you feel the breeze flowing, coming through. Shower. And then we have bedroom number 3. You got your fitted closets. Let me see if I could shove my camera through the window so you could see across the street. So if you're interested in this property, definitely give Global Estate Agency a call. You could reach us at 246-426-9469. You could also connect with us on the majority of social media platforms, Instagram, same company name. Also on YouTube, where you're watching this video tour. And Facebook and LinkedIn as well. But this one would definitely not stay on the market for long. So we look forward to hearing from you and showing you this beautiful home. Not a lot of work that have to be done. You might have to just change a few tiles in the main bedroom upstairs. And probably just a bit of touching up with some paint. I mean, obviously, if you got any personal preferences to upgrade, you could do so. So we look forward to hearing from you and showing you our beautiful new exclusive and Platinum Heights 3 bedrooms with a bonus room that leads right to the back patio. 2 full bathrooms, a half bathroom. Just over 8,800 square feet of land, 2,000 square feet of floor area and built in 2006. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.